Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nagbabalis pa ng bagong video kung saan ang maglalaro ng Fears of Atom Ironbark Lookout. Well, dito magbabantay tayo, dito tayo magbabantay. Parang sa camp ba to? I don't know if sa mga nagpo-forest, sa mga nagka-camping, sa mga nagpo-forest, hiking, ganon. Like tayo yung, anong tawag dito? May tawag dito like parang guard siya. Siya yung taga-bantay, may radio rin ata sa taas ng house na yan. I don't know, yan sa Ironbark niyan. And, yeah, tayo yung lookout. May alam akong specific word, tawag dito sa trabahong to Nakalimutan ko lang sa mga movie na napapanood ko. Ayun nga, magbabantay tayo ng Ironbark. So, ano pa iniintay natin? Magbabantay na tayo. So, it's the time to play this game. So, nauna ko yung episode 4. Well, guys, nalaro ko na yung First of Atom 1. Like, yung mag-isa tayo, yung Home Alone. Kung gusto nyo, laruin ko siya ulit. Comment down below. Hey, I noticed you were requesting story submission while I was watching a YouTuber play Fears of Atom Carson House. What I'm about to recount what happened when I was 24 or so at that time. It feels kind of weird telling anyone about this because of bizarre and absurd nature of the whole thing. But I feel like doing so might help me process my memories of it. I knew that sharing this story anywhere else would be a dumb idea because people would say I was lying. As I'm writing this was the scariest experience of my life. Yeah, I think kung tutuusin ako rin Kung para din, kung sa akin din, okay. Isa pa pala, my bad, tapos na. I'm Jack Nelson, had a small job as a prank ranger in a state park. Ito, nakasang may brightness. I was a fire lookout stationed in one of the largest forests in the Pacific Northwest. Miles and miles of dense forest managed by the Forestry Service. I had a salary that allowed me to make ends meet, but I couldn't afford to treat myself to restaurant, nice clothes, etc. My biggest accomplishment so far was being able to buy an RV for myself with a lot of financial help from my dad. So, umasa tayo sa tatay natin. Financial help. Well, hindi naman sa umasa. Financial help. Tulong ng tatay. Financial help. Siguro, umambagin tatay natin. The RV was the only sense of home I had at that time. This one time, I was transferred from one outpost to another because of yung outpost pala, yung Ironbark. Official circumstances. It was a minor inconvenience to me though, since I live out of my RV and like traveling. I said a few goodbyes and I was off to the new location. So sinet niya tayo, pinadala tayo sa lugar na, yun nga, yung sabi nga, transfer tayo sa iba't ibang outpost. And it was about a 2-hour drive. Kala ko dumadaldal pa siya, kala ko nagkikwento pa. Pwede ba natin bangga? Oh my god, I wasn't very proud of my driving. Hindi tayo pwede magkalisensya. Dahil sinadya ko talaga yun, guys. Sinadya ko talaga yun. So we got the backpack, belt, etc. Babangga. Okay. To read messages. Okay. Sino nag-send? Kyla Nelson. How is it looking? Still on my way. Van decided to pull a flat tire today today out of all days. Isn't it late? If I don't starve to death before arriving, I'll be fine. Did you pass Roseburg yet? No, why? Iskat ba yun? Where can I park my van? Sir, arriving a Friday. Just park your truck around back to the gravel, park by gate, got it, and from there you'll be on foot. Take the Gold Creek Trail. From there it'll take you a couple of hours until you reach your tower. Okay, I got it, thanks. You probably see Billy at the gate. Just show him. Okay. May data dito. Okay. Goods. I like a very solitary life. Same. It helps quiet my mind. Keep the memories, a day? Pwede ba natin banggayin yan? Nope. Didisgrasya tayo. So, ito yung game. Ito yung kinaganda ng game. Like, ako ba nagaganda no sa Fears of Phantom? I've always okay. But just being surrounded by nature gave me happiness. Wow, nature lover pala siya. Kalikasan ng bumubuhay sa'yo, putol. Kyla Nelson, okay. Kyla Nelson. I remember there's this diner while passing Roseburg. They have the best burgers in town. You have to try them out. I could really use a good meal before the staffing starts. Thanks, Kayla. Nagmamaneho tayo sa middle of the woods. Middle of roads? Middle of tama. Forest. Middle of woods. So, ito ba yung sasabing diner? I guess, magpapark tayo saglit. No, dito po pala yung sa kabila. Saan yung diner na sinasabi niya? Oh. Yeah, I saw the diner, Kyla. I was... Huh? Bilis naman mawalan ng dialogue. I shouldn't take it easy. What? Oh, may kumakain ng burger. Oh, my bad. Ba't tayo ba na mag-parking? Oh, dito na sa tabi. Dito na tayo sa tabi mag-park. Ang hirap naman mag-parking. Hindi talaga ako pwede magka-lisensya. Space to get up. Okay. Goods. So, naman kunin natin yung bag. Throw. May lababo tayo. Para siyang bahay. Hindi tayo matulog. So, maliit na CR. Paliguan. Ganda. Gusto kong ganito. Get up. Hey, sir, can I talk to you? Ni-enjoy niya bawat kagat. How's that burger?
This little piece of heaven. This place is pretty much my weekend spot. And you're around here?
Just passing through.
Having a safe journey.
Okay. Well, thank you. Bro, the sunset. I love sunset, guys. Like, pag pauwi ako galing OJT, like, pag pauwi ako ulit, nag-OJT ako, pag pauwi na ako, tapos akit kami ng overpass ng kaibigan ko, nakikita namin yung sunset. Nung ko ba, hinahabol namin, nagtitingnan namin lagi. Wait, ganun. Welcome to Twin River Diner. How are you doing today? Good. How about you? Feel free to take any seat you like, and I'll be right with you. Alright, thank you. You trying to flirt with us? I guess here. Hi. Good evening. I'm Barbara. Are you ready to order? Of course, yes. Kaya ako nakaupo. So, what can I get for you today? Cheeseburger with fries, grilled cheese, sandwich with onion rings, meatballs, sub, and chicken nuggets. Ano kaya? Masarap ba yung burger, cheeseburger nyo with fries? Yeah, cheeseburger with fries. Aha! Our burger is the best in the West. Would you like anything to drink? Large Coke, coffee, strawberry, large Coke na lang. Perfect. Anything else? That will be all. Thank you. Wait! I'll bring the food out as soon as it's done. Just let me know if you need anything else. Sounds good. Appreciate it. Okay. Maghihintay tayo dito, I think. I've always had this habit of peeing before eating. Okay. Iihi tayo. Alam naman umihi tayo sa upuan. Ayaw mo naman, may waitress naman sila. Diyan ka na lang umihi. What the heck? I spilled. Oh, lumalagpas. Layo ng ihi mo tol eh. Ang galing. Ang ganda talaga ng game na to. First of Fathom. I was done with it. Like, can you flash it? Oh, maybe nga i-flash. Ito yung pampainit ng kamay, di ba? Like, pampatuyo. Ito yung pampatuyo ng kamay. Ito tayo maghugas. Hugas tayo after umihi, umawak sa pututoy. Wait lang. Ayan, all goods. Everything's good. So, iba tayo dito mo po. No, we can't. Tayo, may mga katabi ako, guys. I'm a loner. I'm a lonely. So, pag-isa. I mean, I was in the wrong booth. Okay, you're in the wrong booth. So, doon dapat? Yeah, I think kasi doon na tayo order eh. Hello, Jelly. So, ayun na si Madam. Ayun na si Madam. Natin na yung order natin. Ang tagal. So, I think nagdadaan-daan siya para hindi malaglag yung mga dala niya. Well, thank you, Madam. Here's your tip. I guess wala. Consuming burger. Hello, Aldrich. So, the fries? Oh, bro, inaangat lahat ng fries. Okay, I think kakausapin niya tayo. No, hindi. Assuming masyado. Sorry guys, kinda delusion. Delusional. Kayla Nelson. So, did you end up going? How was it? I'm here. Still eating this so good. Yeah, this is so good, bro. The fries and the burger. And also the Coke. Oh, man. Inistorbo mo ako sa pagkain ko eh. Umaya ka na mag-chat. Update na lang kita. Told you. This food reminds me. You should send me the casserole recipe you were talking about. I might get a chance to immerse myself in the art of cuisine in the new Lookout. Wow, yes! I'm on my way home. Send you a bit. Oh, oy. Did you... Ay, mali. Did you enjoy the food? Of course, I am. I did. Would you like to have anything else or should I get you the check? Check, please. Okay, I'll be right back. Thanks. Okay, thank you. Can we get up? No, we can't. Ketchup. So, hindi natin sinausaw yung fries. Put it back. Hindi ako ganito sa personal, guys. Like, susubukan ko lang. Oh, my bad. Here's the check. Your total is $6. Well, ang $7 is nasa 400, I think. So, bali. So, 300 lang. I don't know. Hello, JD. Pay. Oh, bigyan natin ng 15% tip. Mabait tayo, mabuti tayong tao. There you go, madam. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Have a good night. Hope you enjoy the rest of your ride. Thanks. Space to get up. So, lilinisin niya ba yan? Oh, so hindi niya nilinis. So, can we get this? Pwede ba iuwi natin yan? Oh, may nangyari. Wait lang. Hindi natin pwede hawakan. Bahala na si Batman. Okay, labas na tayo. Yung mga vulture? Takti may invisible vulture? May mga invisible vulture. Oh? What the heck, bro? So, natapos na tayo kumain. Si kuya hindi pa. Like, Ini-enjoy niya bawat kagat. Ano yung burger? May nakapasok dito? Alam mo to, ako ba ilak to? Oh. Hello? Hello? So, wala naman siguro. The bathroom door was strange. Jump? What do you mean? May tao sa loob, guys. May tao sa loob. Bukas yung ilaw, oh. No, hell na, bro. Ako, may pumasok ata. Mali natin. So, get this bag. Harang natin siya dito. And we're gonna drive. Hayaan nyo siya makulong. Space to get up. So, what's next? I mean, kakausapin ba natin yun? Sir? How are you? How's the burger? Where you headed?
I'm from Roseburg. This place is pretty much my weekend spot.
Okay. Okay.
You must have heard the news then. What news? Well, a few weeks ago, 3 kids went missing in the park. It's been all over the news.
What happened to them?
No one knows. The official report says they got lost. But a lot of people around there think something else happened.
Something else.
There's a rumor going around that a creature got them.
A creature?
Yeah, you know, like Bigfoot or a goat man.
Goat man.
People say there is something like that living in that forest.
Do you believe in it?
A lot of hikers and campers go missing in the forest.
So, kailangan nila ng tulong natin. I'm to the rescue na ako, guys. To the rescue na ako. I'm coming!
Some of them come back with stories you would not believe. Some of them never come back.
Oo, nakakatayo. Nakakatindig balahibo. Okay, nakakatakot nga. So, I think may tao sa CR, guys. I think may need ako. Kailangan natin umalis. Oh! My bad. Hindi talaga pwede magmaneho. Nabangga natin yung sasakyan niya. Oh! Hindi talaga Hindi ako pwede magmaneho, guys. I'm not built for this. Wait, uy! Tingin sa kalsada. Sa kalsada ang tingin. So, uy. Okay, nagpatuloy ang kanyang lakbayin mapunta sa 8:02 PM. Gabi na, madilim na. Nabuksan ko naman kanina yung CR. Nabuksan ko naman di ba kanina? If nakita nyo, I want to include the location of this park. But I don't want anyone seeking out to the outer horrors I've seen in this wood. So ito na ba yung Iron Bark? Ito na ba yun? I drove past the trail at first. Balikan natin. Ano ba yun? Do you have any idea, guys? I wasn't very proud of driving. For real, bro. Pabukas! I remember Mitch said I was going to be on foot from here. Okay. Get up, let's get up. Fears of Phantom. Iron Bark. Well, so, madilim. So, yeah. Hindi lang rumor. Like, literal na nangyari. Totoo nangyari. Britney. Like, yung Britney niya. KNNE. Tuhod. Paghasman. Okay. Someone sleep here. Hello?
Okay. Holy moly, you scared me. I thought you were one of them. You scared me. My role hovers. Tat. Anyways, can I see your permit, please? Oh, I'm not a camper. You'll be really, right? Tat. I'm the new transferred fire lookout. Is that correct? I didn't know we were hiring this season. Hang on, let me check on that. Of course, take your time, sir. Hindi mo ko kailangan gulatin, please lang. Nakatakot ka. So, ba't parang ang dugit naman dito? Ang dumi. Yeah, okay, pal. You're good to go. You're stopped at Fire Tower 11. Okay. I apologize for the confusion. I was under the impression that the tower would be left unstaffed for the reason. But here are your keys. Take the keys. Okay, we take the keys. And pupunta na tayo dun sa kung ano nakaposition sa atin. Like 11. Let me open the trail gate for you. Go! Dapat lang! Well, thank you. So, paano yan iangat? Do not block the gate. About yung isa? Like, bro, isa lang yung inano mo. Kasya ba yung van ko dyan? Since you're arriving this late, you might also need this flashlight for the long hike to your lookout. Thank you, Billy. Well, thank you. You be careful. Take this. Take the flashlight. So, get the complimentary horror game flashlight, guys. Welcome to Ironbark, pal. Well, thank you. Now, for your purposes, when you get to your tower, be sure to make your first weather report from your system. Just so we know you locked in safely. Okay. If need be, you can reach out to Tower 12 during your stopping. Nice enough, guy. He'll be your closest contact in the case of any emergency. So, may ilang tower ang meron dito sa park nyo? Thank you, Billy. You to throw... Oh, tat. Hey! Just a piece of advice. Don't travel any further than half a mile or so north of your tower. Why? Dangerous woods, that why, pal. Bobcats and bears. Okay. Beaver bears. Nasty business. You got it. So, we got the complimentary horror game flashlight, guys. I thought I was trying to scare me. He was trying to scare me, but he looked dead. I don't know. Hindi ko nabasa. Mabilis talaga. So, turn that off. Ay, mag-drive tayo habang hawak natin yung complimentary horror game flashlight natin. Kasya ba yun ako? Yung van ko? Okay, mukhang hindi naman natin ipapasok yung van. I think hindi ko ipapasok yung van. So, kunin na lang natin yung bag natin. Iwan natin dyan. Oh, bro, ang creepy. So, lalakarin na lang natin. No bikes. Only horses. Stay on the trail, okay? Stay on the trail, okay? On my way. So, akala ko ipapasok natin yung sasakyan. Mas safe pag may sasakyan tayo. Like, ipapasok natin yung sasakyan natin. Mas safe yung ganun. My bad, excuse me. 11:32 PM. So, malapit na mag-midnight. Ang layo naman ng nilakad natin. It was a long hike. It was starting to get cold. Tower key. Okay, ito yung Tower 11. So, ito yung Tower 12. I think lagpas pa dito. Lagpas pa siya. Dito throw. Hindi mo dito. Uy, wag! Okay. Medyo creepy siya. So, ito yung code. May code. Like, ito ata yung magiging source of natin. Electricity. I don't know. Oh my gulay. Please don't. Papunta pa lang ako sa ano ko. Ironbark Tower 11. Okay. This is the Ironbark Tower 11. 7 feet. Okay. So, yun. Ayun yung tower back niya. Tower. Imagine being out here alone for weeks at time. It's not for everyone. So, ito yung magiging CR natin. The door was open. Yeah. Bro, ino-open mo eh. I think
Hindi natin tumakbo. I ascended the stairs up to the top of the tower. Okay. Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Once you're on the top, the tower just... okay. Ang bagal ko magbasa. My bad, guys. Hello? Is someone there? Okay, all good naman. So, walang tao. Walang tao. So, tayo nga lang nakaposition dito. All goods, I think. Cabin was filled with the aroma of wood, giving me a sense of comfort. Yeah. Okay, turn the light. Forgot to turn the generator on at first. Oh, may kulay ka. So, I guess, yung bed natin nandito. Kaya muna natin turn on yung power. Ba't natin kinalimutan? So, is that the tower 12? Tayo yung tower 11 and the tower 12 was right there. If tama ako, if hindi ako nagkakamera, yun siguro yun. On the generator. All goods. Everything's good. I hope walang sumunod sa atin. Okay. Everything's good na. Turn that on. Pwede natin lapag yung flashlight natin. Of course. And ang mga dapat gawin. So, space to get up. Okay, radio equipment was sitting on a wooden table. Static. So, wala naka... About the computer. Rainbow. Hindi ko alam yan. Pambira. I think may mali yung computer natin. Rainbow password. User. Tower 11 password. And I don't know ano kanong password niyan. I think need na natin matulog. Wait lang. Oh! Anong tawag dito? Nakalimutan ko yung tawag dito. Binocular! Got it! Binocular! So, where's the freaking tower 12? I think dun. Scroll to zoom. So, yeah, nakabukas yung ilaw. May tao dun. Halata naman, may tao dun. Sakte. Telescope? No. Iba ang telescope sa binocular. Alam ko eh. If tama ako. Yeah. Iba ata siya. Oh, my bad. This is a binocular, guys. Compass. So, 0. Di ko alam yan. Kung paano gamitin yan. What does 0 mean? Ano to? Knots, what does it mean? Radio. Mas nakakatulog ba kayo pag may radyo kayo, like may papakinggan kayo? Feel ko parang creepy nun eh. So, wag na lang. So, yeah. I think mukhang matagal na may ref. Uy! May gulay! Salamat sa naglagay nito. Thank you. Hindi na ako bababa para mamili. Like, yung mga mission sa horror game. Pupunta ng... pwede siya mag-cause ng sunog, guys. Ang galing! I think maglalagay tayo ng woods. Wait lang. Tama ba? I don't know if tama yan. Okay, hindi gumana yung gas. Hindi, peke yan. Hindi yan galing sa Iran. So, Osborne Fire Finder. It's like a giant compass, like a pizza. Oh, ito ba? We use it in a spot far of the map. Okay.
So, ano pa pwede magamit natin? Para saan to? Spray? Para sa daga. Para sa oso. Like, panglaban sa oso. Okay. Yeah, I think I had to report for tonight. Okay, magre-report tayo for tonight. But what's the password, bro? Anong password nito? Static. Tower 11. Check the Ironbark rules flyer. Okay. Ironbark rules flyer. Oh, ito ba? Nope. Where's the freaking flyer? Kasi yung flyer. Statesman. Kasi yung flyer. The Ironbark. Okay. Ask for extra supplies. Call John tomorrow at 2 p.m. Send photos, Mitch Billy. Ironbark Department. Lights out after 12 p.m. Supplies drops are 100 of Sunday. Absolutely no guess. The lookout system password is Ironbark. Tower number. Okay, Ironbark 11. Yeah, Ironbark 11. Ironbark. Yeah, ang galing ko. I'm good. Good. Some console, flash drive media. Hello there, it's Molly, your trusty visual assistant, here to help you make the most of your computer today. So, parang siyang AI. Click. Here's a random fact, Amazon rainforest. Okay.
Welcome to Ironbark State Park. If you're watching this video, then let me be the first to say, congratulations! You have been commissioned by the
parang creepy nun,
Ironbark Fire Department to protect one of the most prestigious parks in the state of Washington. Established in 1897, it's in America. We hope you can keep it that way for many years to come. This training video will ensure that you work to the best of your abilities.
Boys. Tama ba?
This training video will ensure that you work
Abilities?
to the best of your
Boya!
abilities. You've been selected as one of our fire lookout
Fire lookout.
observers.
Yeah, thank
This is
you.
a truly
Na-harden.
rewarding job which requires many hours of hard work.
Baka minimum lang yung sahod nito. I don't know.
State-of-the-art
Sana hindi.
lookout towers.
State of the art.
And the following is a list of responsibilities you will have. Keep watch for fire. Fire isn't going to be noticeable all of the time, so also keep watch for smoke.
Hindi ko alam bakit nagkakakos ng fire, siguro sa init ng araw, like yung ang tawag dito, kagaya na nangyari noong 2020 or I don't know kung ilang taon yun, like nagkaroon ng sunog sa Amazon ba yun? Tama ba?
The science nerds at the
Nagkamali ako.
Panoramic Preservation Society
Record daily ako.
require us to note all changes in temperature. We think it's best not to get into a lawsuit. Keep records of daily wind speed. Wind is a big factor when it comes to fire. After collecting the data, this is a highly complicated form, often used by NASA employees.
By NASA
So
employees.
don't be too ashamed if you can't figure it out at first.
Not everyone will get in the
Privilege of
first
using
try.
such a form.
Tama naman.
Keep campers out
Registered
of unregistered campgrounds. The campers might start a campfire which could lead to a wildfire.
Baka ako na yan.
Will not always listen
Ako
to
na yan, guys,
authority, so
Muntik
take
na kanina.
precaution when escorting them. Make sure to know whether the person is a threat. If you're worried about your safety, do not hesitate to
Hesitate to
dial
call
911.
Maintenance of the park.
Keep maintenance of the park. Make
Keep
sure
us
the park is
clean.
kept clean. We
We
have,
have
status
status
to uphold.
hold. Ilang?
Now that
You're
you
ready to
know
work.
most of the duties
I'm
that
ready
a
to
fire
work,
lookout
to
has,
work.
You're ready to start.
Mostly.
We hope that you have a great season out there on the tower. Try not to damage any of the equipment. And remember, If you see smoke,
don't joke. Call the authorities and
Call the
notify
authorities
them
and notify them of the predicament immediately.
So may ano pa, may credits pa. Siya lang naman nagsalita, nag-credits pa. Flash drive, plant interview.
And we are back. So how do you feel about being a plant? Do you moisturize?
Bro, he was talking to plant. He's trying to talk with the plant, bro.
What do you do for a living? Uh-huh.
Hindi magre-response yun.
Yeah. How does that work?
Ano ba itong pinapanood ko? Rose.
Hi, everyone. I'm Ron Ross.
Sabihin
I'm
painter?
here to paint with you.
Oh, yeah.
I'll say that.
I'm right.
Eviction notice.
Cuts. Yeah, it's a video of cats. Ironbark Trail Map. Close. This is the Ironbark State Park Trail Map. Wherever you're planning a hike, assisting hikers, or just want to explore the park's beauty from the comfort of your screen. I'm here to help. Okay. So close. Sarado yung part na dito. Saan tayo banda? Yung Tower 11. So across sa river. Ganda ng river. Yung Tower 12. Hindi ko na alam. Service reporting. Temperature. Static. Static.
New guy, haven't
New
gotten
guy.
your name yet. What is it again?
Who is this? I'm Jack.
I saw your light turn on. I gotta say, it's refreshing to see Tower 11 alive again.
I saw your light turn on. I gotta say, it's refreshing to see Tower 11 alive again. Who is this?
I'm Connor, Fire Tower
Connor.
12.
Oh! Yung kapitbahay natin. Yun nandun sa kabila.
Job? I've had to cover your area until you arrived.
Isn't that the job? I had to cover your area.
Anyways, what brings you to this towering
Paradise of ours. Just looking for a change? I'm a transfer from Iron Horse.
An experienced comrade. I can see why Mitch picked you.
I am really
You
tired.
got a fire going?
You got a fire doing?
You're
No?
lit. The temperature's about to plummet.
Get here lit.
You don't want
The
to sit through
temperature
the
is
storm
about to-
shivering.
You don't want to sit through the storm. What do you think? Think need ko na matulog. Loud. Think hindi ko na kailangan muna mag-report. So, hindi ko na matulog. What? May report? So, how's the wind? Think need natin lumabas. So, we have to do our, you know, like, magre-report nga tayo. Need natin gawin yung task natin. So, this is the wind. 20. 20 lakas ng hangin. And doon papunta, 0. I don't know if tama. Di ko alam ginagawa ko. Di ko alam sinasabi ko. So, paano natin malalaman yung isa? I mean, ano yun eh? So, we have to do our report. Reporting. Temperature. We're going to state of the art service reporting our bank measure weather condition provide. It does it. HQ wind ay nasa 20. Ano yung temperature natin. Like saan ba yung makikita? I mean, dito na yung bag natin. My bad. Wait lang. So, open yun eh. So, paano malaman yung temperature? Ito ba? Wala naman. Kaya ko malaman yung temperature, guys. Think, di ko na
The pressure in fire. Welcome to state to provide HPR evaluation. Wind?
Yeah, wind. Malakas yung hangin. 0, I guess.
None. I mean, 0. Reported by... Ano name natin? What the heck? Something didn't look right. May kulay. Ano nga yung name natin? Nakalimutan ko. Pampira naman. My name is, man, I already forgot. What the heck? Jack? That right, Jack? Hindi eh. Anong time na ba yun? Anong time na ba? Play a game. Nothing kasama.
I don't see the smoke. Did you
I
light it
didn't
up
see the smoke. Did you light up yet?
yet? Wood stove should be around the entrance. Get her lit.
Wood stove should be around the entrance. Get it. Okay.
So, inutusan niya pala tayo kumuha. Okay. Ng kahoy. Wait. Let me grab my complementary or game flashlight para safe. Nah, bro. It's all... It's already 12. I mean 11. Huh? Ba't hindi tayo makababa? Ba't tayo makababa? Ikukuha tayo ng kahoy. Okay. Medyo kinakabahan ako. Ba't ganun?
I don't see the smoke. Did you light it up yet?
Nope.
Wood stove should be around the entrance. Get her lit.
Okay. I think ito na yun. There's no firewood.
Firewood.
No firewood.
There must be plenty in the shack. That's all Marley did.
Marley? Who the heck? Bob Marley?
The staffer who was in the lookout before you.
There was a staffer who was in the look.
She was one gritty woman.
He was one gritty woman.
Anyways, you better get that fire going. You don't want to sit through the storm. Gasoline must be in your cabin. But
Yeah,
if not,
nandito
you can
sa
always
akin.
grab your supplies from the storage shack.
From storage shack. What storage shack? Saan na yun? Storage shack. I guess kukuha tayo ng wood sa baba. I mean right from here? Wait lang, ba't may tao? I mean, ba't bukas? So wala ba talagang door yan? So may complementary horror game flashlight din sa may binocular din, alarm, and pang spare sa bear. Place in the stove. Yeah, got it. Lalagay natin siya doon sa ano para magpainit. So I think babagyo. Need to light it up. So gas. I mean, sila na natin. All goods.
Ah, I see it. I see the smoke.
Ah, I see it. I see the smoke.
Nice to see Tower 11 alive again.
Yeah, binuhay ko. Did you report for the night yet? So, Where's the freaking smoke? I guess wala. Hindi ko makita.
Did you report for the night yet?
No, let me get. Oh, wait.
Better get to it then. Here at Ironbark, you are required to report every,
Every night
before
before
signing
sign
off.
off.
You don't want to disappoint Mitch on your first night.
Yeah. Who's Mitch? Wind 20. So it's 11:32. Ano nga name ko? So, if titignan natin yung wind, okay, nasa 20 siya. Nasa 20 yung wind. Wala ko may tao nakaupo. Minyemas. So, what is this? Hindi ko to gets. So, wait lang. Search ko anong name niya. Ang bira. It's Jack Nelson. Okay, Jack Nelson yung name natin. Name game Ironbark Curse of Atom. So Jack Nelson. Yeah, Jack Nelson. Something didn't look right. Ano, wind? Wind lang naman yun ah. Hiker 0 NBMT 0. Asan yun? Thermometer. Oh! My bad guys, my bad. It's 10? I guess, yeah, 10 siya. Ito yung dulo niya, ayun, no? Yan. So, 10. 10 degrees. Laki masyado nun. Something didn't look right. Weather condition. Cloud. Clear. Wait a minute. So, what's time? Is it? Oh, 11:32. Wind speed 20. Not clear. Okay, something. Dust storm. Wind. What do you mean? Reported by Jack Nelson. Paano ko gagawin to? Okay. My bad. 46. Need pala natin pindutin. The temperature was 46.1. 46.1. My bad, guys. My bad. Interactable pala eh. 47.1. 46 pala. Oh, may kulay. I wasn't sure if I had to put in the right weather condition. What do you mean? Wind, cloud, mist, thunderstorm. Nope. Clear. Okay, nagawa ko na report kapag. Ang bira.
Copy, new guy?
You copy new guy? Tower 11, copy.
I think I'm gonna sign off for the day. Tower 12, signing off. You have a good night, new guy.
Good night. Good night, Lods. Good night. Yeah. Sino ka man. Kalimutan ko yung name niya, pampira.
Bedbugs bite.
Let the bag bats bite. Yeah. Oh, si Connor. Well, thank you, Mr. Connor. Talk to you tomorrow. So, first, bago tayo matulog, turn off the freaking light. And yeah, let's go. Let's get some sleep. man. 326.
Unintelligible. Unintelligible. What does it mean? Can we turn this off? I had to pee. Static. Connor? I had to pee. Okay. Okay. Kalimutan ko na lahat. Wag lang complimentary horror game flashlight ko.
Wait lang.
On my first night being out of a cabin gave me strange feeling. Oh, bro. Nakakatakot talaga. Hindi lang strange feeling. Yeah, tulog na si Connor. Face to pee. What? Tumihit tayo mula sa tower. Get back? What the heck, bro? Yun ba talaga yung gagawin natin? No, bro. Balik sa tulog.
Bro, what the heck?
Ang creepy.
Hindi pa pwede magsama. I mean, hindi pa pwede magsama yung dalawang
Bro. Sip of the coffee. I think gising na si Connor and there's the vulture guys. Yeah, malayo sila. They have freedom.
Hindi pa pwede magsama ng dalawa. I mean, dalawang magtropa sa isang trabahong ganito. Like,
Dalawa sila sa isang cabin. Di ba? Oo, huwag natin ubusin.
oh, goods bro, ganito yung gusto ko. I love the sunrise and also the sunset.
Both of them, I love it.
I love it, bro. I love it so much. Parang, ang payapa tignan pag tinitignan mo yung araw, umaangat eh, pati paglubog eh.
Let me take a photo. Okay, take a photo. You want me the vulture?
The vulture.
Inumin natin yan. Okay, isa pa. Ayan yung mga vulture lumipad. Take a photo again. Do you mean right here? No, bro. Parang nasa heaven. I take a sip. Uy! May vulture! Space to get off. Get off from what? Right here?
New guy.
Oh,
You copy?
you copy?
This is Connor from Tower 12. You copy?
Wait lang. Yan yung hugasin natin. Mamaya natin hugas. Okay, back to work.
Tower 11. Do you copy?
Copy that, Connor. What's up?
Son of a bitch.
What?
Ba't di tayo minura? Ang ginawa ko?
Excuse me?
Nobody bothers to get a camping permit these days anymore.
Nobody bothers to get a camping permit this day.
Oo, kasi nga may, like, nauuso nga raw, like, may, sabi-sabi, may rumors na something ganito, something ganyan.
Do you have eyes on the smoke north of your position?
Do you have an eyes on the smoke north of your position? Let me have a look. North position. Where's the freaking north? Yeah. The smoke was white, indicative of a campfire.
I
Yeah.
need you to confirm.
I need you to
See that
confirm
smoke
this.
up north?
Yeah, I see that, bro.
May mata ako. Malamang kita ako.
That white
Is
smoke
but the
up north?
what? Yeah, I see it.
Appears to be in the Lacey Trail sector, which is not a registered campsite.
It appears to be in the Lacey Trail sector, which is not registered.
People like that don't bother to clean up after themselves. Fire risks are high this season.
Yeah.
Mind checking it out?
You mind checking it out? Check. Okay, heading north. I'll report back on it. Yes, do you have any other detail? Is it safe?
You learn to carry your bear spray, and you should be
Bear
fine.
spray? You should be fine. Okay, heading north. I'll report. Do you have any other detail?
Stay safe out there. Don't forget to carry your bear spray in these woods, new guy. Over and out.
Oh, man, na maipagrambulan tayo sa oso. Over and out. Okay. Pagrambulan tayo sa oso. Hindi natin need yung binocular. How about our complementary? Hindi naman na siguro kasi ano oras ba? For alas 4 ng gabi. I think we need a complementary game flashlight, guys. Heading to north. Where's the freaking north again? Yeah, dun. Oh, gusto ko yung ganito. Lalakad. What if may oso tayo nakasalubong? Eh di ganun. Ah! Take the trail. Saan banda yung smoke? Wait lang. My bad. Oh, dito. Okay, there's a bear right here. Caution, bear in the area. Baka si grizzly bear yan. Sa Weber Bears. EM 834, 837. I followed the trail that led me to the smoke. What? No camping. No camping. I love Jen. Violations. She gives me the best head. No, hell na, bro. Violators should be silent. Move, okay. What? May campfire? Huh? Reply back when you see this. Jack, are you okay? Okay. Kumuha tayo ng yung kinuha natin picture. Maybe from the tower. Jack, are you okay? Send me pics. Okay. Got me home. Okay, ito yung binigay sa ating like yung gawa ng pizza. Director will not believe how easy this one is to throw together. Did you reach yet? Send pics when you do. Jack, are you okay? Hope everything is okay. Reply back when you see this. So, Mitch Scott, where can I park my van? Park. Where can I park my van? So you're arriving on Friday. Okay, got it. And from... Oh, don't you dare, my buddy. Don't you dare. Creek Trail, cover hours until you reach. You probably see Billy at the gate. Show him. Right, okay. Who's there? Anybody there? Show yourself. Oh, may gulay. Okay, something was right there. May nagkakamp nga. May nagkakamp banda dito. The areas beyond the clear. Okay. Na bro. Nakabahan ako ah. Break na ba ako? I think yeah. I need to put out a campfire before heading back. Okay. Put out the campfire. So papatayin natin yung apoy and mabili na tayo. I mean, patayin nito? No, hindi yan effective. Okay, sino na nandyan? Pakita ko na, please lang.
May gulay. Oso ba yun? I had to put it out. Ito. Water. Okay. Patayin natin yung apoy. And patay natin. Let's go. Of course, mamatay na yung apoy. And all goods na, I think. No, bro. I think may namatay dyan. I think may namatay na dito. I think may pinatay. Na bro, ang creepy. Oh my, okay, I'm 7 p.m. As I hike back to my tower through the dark, I couldn't shake the sense that something was terribly wrong. My mind couldn't help but think what I might have happened. What do you mean? Babalik na tayo sa camp natin. Yeah, babalik na tayo sa camp. Is everything is okay? I think everything's okay. Door was open. Oh, yeah, of course, inopen ko eh. Ay, pula tayong makasalubong. Mula sa taas. Please lang. Yeah, everything's good. Tapos magising si Connor. I had to report to Connor about the vacant campsite. Okay. Bakanting campsite. Oh, did you copy? Hey Connor, did you copy?
Loud and clear, new guy. I was just cooking myself some hot...
Well, first,
what's your status?
talk about the
Are you
campsite.
kidding me?
Yeah. Are you? I mean, am I kidding you?
Son of a bitch.
Ba't na galit siya sa mga... Ewan ko
Never
ba?
learn, do they?
What do you mean? What are you talking
I'm
about?
sick of these bastards. It's unbelievable.
Has it been happening?
This is the third time this month alone.
Does he mean?
Anything else you notice in those woods?
Mention
The
scream.
scream.
Must have
Must have
been
been one of those red foxes. They sound pretty much like a screaming lady at night.
Are you sure? Sigurado ka ba dyan, Connor? Ha? Sigurado ka ba dyan? Hawkins? Connor Hawkins?
I don't know what you're talking about, new guy, but I heard from the rangers that a lot of campers have been flocking to that area lately because of the disappearance of those 3 kids.
No, what you're talking about? I heard that rangers and many campers have been flocking to the area lately because of the disappearance of those 3 kids. Kids went missing in that
A
area?
month ago, they were hiking with their families.
They
went
went
on
on
the trail
the
and
vanished.
just
No
vanished.
trace of them.
No trace of them since.
What does that have to do with campers?
We don't know. Their parents said some whistle led them off the trail. It's unbelievable.
So, dinudukot yung mga bata, yung tatlong bata.
Rumors that the area might be
If I've
haunted
started
by some
spreading rumors.
entities.
Entities.
It's crazy, I know. You would think these rumors would scare people off, but apparently it's been the opposite. Sometimes,
I only wish they
I
were.
only wish they were true.
You gotta be kidding me, bro.
Well, at least
You gotta be kidding me. Well, at least
urgently.
that's unsettling. Glad to be surprised.
You guy,
I
I
wouldn't
hope you don't
believe.
believe those rumors. Do you?
No, absolutely not. Great.
Anyways,
Thanks.
thanks for staying vigilant. I gotta contact the authorities so they can take care of this commotion first thing in the morning.
Yeah, sahod na ba natin? Tanong mo nga kay boss kung sahod na natin kung may allowance na tayo.
If they find them, I'll personally make sure they never
If they
set foot in
find
this forest again.
make sure they see it. Give me a bit later. Will do.
Over and out.
Over and out. Galing, ganda ng ano nila, like, babush! Ganun. Like yung, pag magpapaalam sila sa isa't isa. I was too hungry, okay, without the food. Kaya, Helson. Looking at the photo makes my stomach roll as a oh man, not delivered. Wala bang dito SIM dito? No service. So, walang data dito, guys. need natin. Yeah. Uy, balik mo na lang dyan kung ayaw mo. Ba't ganun? Hindi ko gets kung paano gumawa ng pagkain. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung paano gumawa ng pagkain. Oh, my bad! May ano pala tayo. Ba't ang liwanag ng rep? Nakakasilaw. Some ingredients is uncooked pasta, marinara sauce, pepperoni, mozzarella. Natin need kumain without food. How to make food from... Paano mo ng pagkain dito? Oh man, paano ko naman ito mababawi? Okay, di natin nararantaduhin yung game. Anak ka ng tipaklong. Laglag. Wala man. Something missing pa. Ito ata. Kampana o. All goods.
Nagawa ko. I think sa malaki siya. Okay na yan na nakakalat yung mga pagkain kaysa naman sa hindi makuha. Gaya kanina. I keep checking on the oven.
You there?
Panira ng gabi to. Nagugutom na ako. New guy. Do you copy?
Of course, I copy, bro. What is it?
Just reported their ass to the authorities.
Just reported their ass to... Good job.
Hope they can track them down and give them peace of mind.
I'll keep on
Keep an eye
my
on
things.
things from here. You
Please
stay
stay
vigilant
vigilant for
for
such
smoke
moves.
moving forward.
That's a duty I choose.
By the way, I don't see your name here.
Did you report for
yet?
it? No, wala pa, hindi pa. I was just getting on it.
Better get to it.
I got it.
Tell you what, I think I'm gonna hit the sack now.
Gonna hit the stack now. Okay.
I know it's been a tough day, but you're doing an excellent job up there.
Okay. Thank you, Connor.
Over 12, signing off. Over and out.
Over and out. Yung lagi dapat siya sabi, di ba? Galing. Kabisado ko na sila. Si Connor. Tagal naman. Tagal na luto ng pasa natin. So, pag niluluto isang pagkain, guys, tas iniintay ko matagal-tagal pa. Lang, hihigala lang ako. Tapos anong tawag doon? Like, maggagawa ako ng fake scenario sa higaan ko. So, magre-report muna tayo. So, how's the wind? How's the wind blows? 19? Okay, 19.
19. The wind is 19. 9:07 p.m. So how's the temperature? 49.5. 49.5. 49.6. I mean 5. Cloud, Hikers, 0. Jack Nelson.
Good sa report.
Nasaan tayo dyan? Oh, Jack Nelson, 907.
Okay, clear. 0 hikers. All goods. Report is submitted. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I hope luto na yung spaghetti ko. Everything's good. I like eating in the bed. Of course, same, bro. No, I like eating to the bed, bro. Huh? Okay. Yan, kinakain na natin. Ba't parang ano to? Anong tawag dito? Parang kakanin siya yung binibenta dito sa Pilipinas. Like, mukha siyang kakanin, guys. If alam niyo yung kakanin na yun, ano siya? Kasaba cake. Yun yung kasaba cake. I don't know if kakanin siya, pero I think may kakanin naman siya. Like, ginamitan ng ingredients sa kanin. Pero mukha siyang kasaba cake was already full. So, tabi na lang natin. Yan. All goods na yan. It was getting cold. I thought I get the woods to... Okay. Oh, may gulay. So, kukuha na naman tayo ng kahoy. So, yung complementary organ flashlight natin. Get that. F to use? Okay. Yeah, I'm using it. I think may jump scare dito. May kumikinang banda rito. And yeah, ilaw siya. So, kuha tayo ng wood. Jump scare. Wala. Okay, everything's good. All good. Craziness to. What if may jump scare sa taas? Nag-aabang sa atin. Malay nyo, may jump scare sa taas. Dito banda. So, wala. Hirap. Ingot talaga. Unggoy. So, lagyan mo natin ng gas. Tama na yung flashlight. Madami na natin. Everything's good. All goods. I always close the boards outside before heading to bed. Oh my gulay. Are you freaking kidding me, bro? So, mula dito. Kaya na nasasara dito. Kinda creepy, you know, guys. Hindi natin sasara yan. Oh, may nang creepy. Tago na tayo. Pwede ba natin i-lock to?
I always close the board outside.
What? Oh, takti! What the heck? Parang naka-open niya. Isinarado ko naman na yan. Hello? Oh, man. Okay, pwede na tayo matulog. What? What do you mean? Oh, hey bud. Close the lights and go to sleep. Akala ko like okay siya na game. I mean, mahirap naman. I was woken by some feeling caused my eyes to drift open. Ano yun? Sleep paralysis? May sumilip?
Anino yan ang alin? There was something very strange about night. Hide! Muscle memory? Okay na ba ang lahat? Oh my god, ang creepy. What the heck? I felt presence outside. Saan siya? Labas ba ako? Dapat ba ako lumabas? What the heck? What the heck is this? I didn't know that what make of it at the moment. Hello? Oh my gulay! Yung wind! Ang lakas ng wind! Amin, ang creepy! What the heck? Hindi ba natin mag-report? Connor, do you copy? Static. Do you copy? Hello?
You have any idea what time it is?
There's something outside my door.
Just couldn't wait until morning.
Oh, nagalit si Connors. I mean si Connor.
Tell you what, new guy. It's probably,
Probably
best
best.
to ignore these kids messing around.
I suspect
That's what
that.
Marley got tired of.
Ayoko naman ganito, like, mga, parang may pagka-narcissist siya. I don't know. I don't think these are kids messing around.
These kids can be pretty creative with these pranks. You watch too many
Kids? What do you mean kids? Eh, delikado na nga dito sa lugar na to eh. Paano na siya sabi niya, mga bata yung gumawa nito? Di ba kulto yung may gawa nito? Ba't may sungay siya kanina? Is that, yung ba yung sinasabi niyang entity? This feels like some real ritual.
Let's not get carried away, new guy. We're in the middle of nowhere. Alright, here's what we'll do. I'll send someone to check in on you tomorrow. For
Okay.
now, just lock your door, take a deep breath, and try to get some rest.
Okay,
We can't
gets.
do much in the dark.
Yeah.
It'll be morning before you know it. Try to get some sleep, Jack.
Connor didn't really make sense. Connor didn't make any sense. Yeah. Wala siyang sense of humor. It doesn't make sense. Wala siyang sense of humor. Okay, night 3. We got the night 3. Today I woke up not being so sure if last night was real or just a dream. Connor tried to reason it as a harmless prank by some kids. But there's something about that night that just felt darker. There's something strange happening in the woods. 8:34 p.m. Gabi na ulit. Ba't ang dumi ng binocular natin? I occupy most of the day either as simple or by scanning the identities around me. Okay, linisin natin yan. Ang dumi ah. Parang pinasok sa ano ah. What? What? Ano yun? Hey, Connors.
Hello? Is anyone there? I need help. Please, someone answer.
Ah. Masyado tayo mabait. Sige.
Hello? Can anyone hear me?
This is Jack, Tower 11.
Oh, thank goodness.
What's going on?
I'm lost, and I'm really starting to freak out.
What's going on?
I don't even know where to start. I went out to explore the area and lost track of time.
Wala ka bang mapa?
And
Bagay.
now it's dark, and I can't
Wala
remember
bang
the trail
Google
back to my
Map
truck.
or mag-Waze man lang? O kaya mag-move it, grab ka? And now it's a dark and I can't remember the trail back to my truck.
I think I'm lost.
Can you describe your clothing? What is your current location? What equipment do you have with you?
I'm wearing a red jacket, camo pants, and a green
Green
backpack.
backpack. What equipment do you have?
I have a flashlight, a compass, a fully charged two-way radio, a flare gun, and some of my camping equipment.
What is your current location?
I'm in the middle of the woods, on this trail surrounded by trees.
everything.
Everything looks different at
So,
night.
paano siya nakakuha ng paano siya naka-access ng radio? I think, may phone siya? I don't know.
I thought shooting a few flare gun shots might get someone's attention, but no one's come yet. All it did was light up the trees and make everything look even scarier. I just want to find a way out of
Can you
here.
describe your
I'm
surroundings?
surrounded by trees, and
The trees
I remember
surrounded by
passing a
trees.
small stream earlier.
Stream earlier? What direction are you facing right
I'm
now?
walking towards west right now because I remember walking east when I came here. Oh, thank goodness. I see it.
See what?
I'm at a trail intersection now, but I can't remember if I should take the right trail or the left to get back to the trailhead.
Can you
Can you
help
help
me?
me?
Take the right trail. So yung right trail, dito. Eh, nasa left trail tayo eh. Let me scan the map.
I knew it! I thought it looked familiar. I couldn't have trusted myself
Sa
with
left
this
trail tayo
decision.
guys eh.
Thanks for helping me through this.
You're welcome. Making decisions in the dark can be challenging. Hope you reach the trail safely.
I'm right here! I hear you. I hear your whistles.
That's not me. I'm in tower right now.
What? I see you behind the trees to my right.
Freak bro, what the? What? But I see you behind the trees to my right. Not me.
You're freaking me out.
Hello? No, please, no. I think siya yung babaeng pinadala sa akin ni Connor. Oh! Holy moly, what took you so long in there? Kinabahan ako, natakot ako sa'yo eh. My bad, my bad. I've been knocking for hours. I was asked to check in you. What were you up to, pal? I was assisting a lost hiker. Just finishing up my report. This hour made the... merciful. Anyways, got your tower supplies here. Just the usual essentials. Here you go. I feel like I'm going to pass out if I keep holding this for... Okay. Take a supply. That. What were you doing there last night? What do you mean? Up north. Why were you there? I would not screw around out there, pal. I was required to investigate the campfire smoke. Oh, rolled. Nasty business up there, pal. Okay, pal. Bad cats and bears. Be careful out there, pal. These woods aren't normal and there's stuff out there that would love to get a piece of... Okay. Sorry, dumigay ako. Excuse me. Not me mention you'd be quiet a distance from help if you need anything happen. I got enough to keep me occupied here. Absolutely, it's a busy job. I've been hearing you've been a bit on the edge. Everything alright?
Just getting used to the new environment.
That's weird. Did you notice anything unusual on on your hike up north yesterday? Mentioned the skull. That. Oh. Did you take a photo of it before cleaning it up?
No? I didn't think about
That. You know it's best we don't dwell on these things, pal. Besides, we can't do anything without the evidence.
Pares lang sila ni ni Connor.
Anyways, getting later, I'd better get going now. Just keep watch. Thanks for the supplies.
What kind of supply is this? Pal. Well, thank you, pal.
Ay, ayun siya. Pababa na siya.
Pal, keep safe, pal.
My hands were full. What kind of food? Instruction, place the ingredients. Okay.
Anong pagkain kakainin natin? Oh, you mean... Oh, my bad. Itlog. You mean this one na hindi naubos, inabot ang kinabukasan. The food was cold. Okay, initin pala natin. My bad. My bad. Inabot na ng kinabukasan, parang yung Christmas lang na sinabot ng bagong taon na handa. Pampainit, I think, dito na sa may oven. Initin lang naman natin eh. So, are we going to do our report? So, wait lang. Gagawin ba natin yung report natin? So, well, first, check the wind. Oh, may gulay, 23. 52.2, okay. 23. 52.2, I guess. 0. Huh? 52.2. 55.2. My bad. My bad, everyone. Okay, wind. All goods. So, nakapag-report na tayo agad. Ang bilis lang. I mean, may mga nauna naman, pero mas mabilis pa rin tayo. Kahit nasa huli. I think the food is okay. So, yeah, I like eating in the bed again. But parang, yeah, mukha siyang kasaba cake. I mean, lasagna siya. Diba? If kita nyo yung ingredients na ginamit natin kanina, para siyang lasagna. Okay pala, I mean, edible pala. I mean, yeah, edible naman, pero alam nyo, yung maabot ng 2 araw yung food na ginawa natin. Hugasan na to. Syempre, di tayo maghuhugas niyan. I think everything's good. I mean, wait a minute. Ibaba yan. Ibaba yan. As always. Ibaba yan. Kaabang ba dito? Ya, wala na. Everything's good. All goods. Ilan, nanganganti talaga ilong ko. Ano ba to? Mahaba na ba yung buhok ko sa ilong? Wait lang. Oh, it was getting cold. Oh, man. Another? Pwede ba natin kunin yung bear? Spare bear, okay. Is there a jump scare here, right here? Nope.
kulay. Oh, man, you gotta be kidding me, man. You just gave me a heart attack. I understand loneliness can make their mind play tricks on you. What's your name? Who are you? No need to be alarmed. I'm a worker. I was just doing some routine maintenance on the radio tower over there.
So, tinuro niya pa talaga.
Thought I'd say hi, the new guy everyone's been talking about. Nice to meet you, I guess. So do you usually work this late? Every Sunday, just trying to keep the communication lines open. We must ensure that the right message reach the right places. Wouldn't you agree?
Right, we rely information about fire sightings.
Absolutely, but some fires are meant to burn, and no amount of prevention can stop them.
What do you mean?
Nature has its own plans. Some things can't be controlled no matter how tried.
Okay, like, kagaya yung nangyari sa, ano yun, yung parang nasunog na lugar dati, 2020 ata, yun yung nasunog na lugar dahil sa, basta yung nagsimula ng apoy yung araw, sa sobrang init ng araw doon nagsimula yung apoy. Like, normal yun, it's a kalikasan, sa nature, ano yun, basta, normal yung ganun, yung mga nangyayari din. Like, disaster, natural disaster.
That. And sometimes disasters are just another form of cleansing.
See?
Away for the land of purify itself. We should head back to the tower right now. It's getting late. I'll see you around, Silas. Have a good night. Jack, hope you sleep well. But remember, that. Curiosity can lead to the place you'd rather not go.
Okay.
Ako sobrang curious kong tao, my bad. Dat. Purple Jack. Oh my kulay. Oh man.
Ako yung sobrang curious na tao, guys. If kilala nyo ako yung sobrang curious na tao. And yeah, sabi nga ng iba, sobrang curious mo, pwede mo siya ikamatay. Yung mga akala, maling akala, ganun.
Light it up.
Kaya hindi siya nasusunog, guys. Ayan, patay na yung ilaw.
Smoke coming out of your tower. Don't tell me you're not in there.
What?
New guy.
New guy. Oh,
You there?
Yes, of course, bro. Dahil ano ba problema nito?
You copy now.
this is Jack. Loud and clear.
Finally. I've been trying to reach you for a while now. Where have you been?
Went down to get firewoods,
It
bro.
doesn't exactly take ages to get just some firewood.
Doesn't exactly take ages. Run into the radio tower worker.
Ran into who?
The guy maintaining that nearby radio tower.
Is this about yesterday?
What about?
Okay.
You trying to yank my chain now?
You trying to yank my chain now? What do you mean?
That radio tower's been out of service for ages now.
Oh, so yung matanda kanina, hindi talaga siya radio tower daw na nag-aayos. Like worker, radio tower worker. Oh my gulay.
It was closed down years ago after a lightning strike fried its systems, and its repair cost was deemed too costly. Its repair date was postponed until the next big funding, which is no time soon, according to Mitch.
Then who did I just talk to?
If what you're saying is true, it could be another one of those goons playing pranks on
Goons
you.
playing pranks. As always, pranks for you. Lagi like konting may mga nangyari ng masama, nasunog na, prank lang yan ng bata. Men, ang hirap may pag-usap sa mga gantong katrabahador. Yung parang, alam niyo, yung parang, iniiba nila, like, ang tawag doon, like, ginagaslight nila yung sarili nila mismo, like, kunwari, ito na yung talagang nangyayari, totoo na, tapos sasabihin nila, okay lang yan, di yan totoo, ganito, ganyan. Ibang dahilan yan, parang ganun, ganito siya, ganito si Connor Hawkins.
He knew my name.
Knew your name.
You think,
You think he's been listening?
I'm not sure.
Either way, disguising as a staff member is strictly forbidden according to park guidelines. Next time you see him, get his information, or take a photo.
We need to
We need
figure.
to figure this out.
Got this.
Anyways, I'm seeing that you've already reported.
Yeah, me
Tower
too.
12, signing off.
Good night, over and out. Tulog na tayo.
Tulog na tayo.
My unease was starting to grow which passing day. So when I signed off that night, I told myself that it was just a change of environment that I needed to getting used to. The strangeness I'd seen so far in the woods, and those woods was not enough to cause an alarm yet. However, that would soon change.
Ito na yun. 2 nights later, 9 p.m.
New guy, you got a
Utak ni
minute?
kagulat.
Ines, I'm listening. What is
Well,
it?
good news.
I said
Just
from
heard from the HQ. They say we've got a new system update on the computer. They just wanted me to let you
which
know.
one from it?
They say it's an important security update. No more snoopers, I guess.
No more snoopers, I guess. Wow, how do I update a computer?
Well, to be honest with you, all this new technology
It's not really my thing.
thing.
So, matanda siya, tito,
Dare I
ganun.
say it? These computers
part.
are probably going to take all our jobs one day. Anyways, for now, use the console to run the new system update.
Yeah.
Sure, a young man like you can figure it out.
Thanks for letting me know. So, sa console. Rainbow. Type help. Check. Okay. Ano yan? CHKUPD. Updates found in a total. Okay. 3 updates in total. Update for servicing.
Reporting system.
Version 1803. Update the rainbow. Okay, security patch. Version and the patch. Okay. Guys. Ano to type ko? Update. Please enter the update. Please enter the update package codes. So version 54. I mean 1803. Date, where's the freaking date? Wait lang. Version. Have. Update rainbows. Security patch version 54, 68, 54, 68. Okay. So, size, what? 1803, let's enter update package code pala, package code. Oh, my bad, guys. 4346084. Package code found looking in service. Vigilance, please enter an active line. BC line, serviceable line. Ano yun? Ito na lang yung 1045. Line not available also. BC lines. 5416. Huh? Looking for service line. Okay. Nandito ba yan? Security. Updates. Wala. So, 5416. 1045. I guess. Okay, busy line na pala.
My bad guys, my bad ulit.
So, hanapin natin dito yung walang kamats. Ito may match siya. So, yung 59.86. 59.87 pala. What? 59.87. What do you mean? Ha? Nalagyan mo ng 1? No, wala na siyang 1. 59. 87. What does it mean? Ah, may 59.87. So, 46. 54.87. 54.87 pala. 54.87.
My bad na, my bad.
So, na-update na yung computer natin. Ibig sabihin, namatay yung power generator. Hid ba natin yung gas? Hid ba natin yung gas? I think hindi natin yung gas. Oh, I really had to pee before going back up. Bakit ganito? Ang dami niyang iniihi. Everything's good. I think so. Everything's good. Okay. Everything's good. 1 week later. Umabot pa tayo ng isang linggo. Time was flying by. Connor's generator was under maintenance, which meant I had to cover his area for the past 2 days.
So, hindi na yung pinakita dito, hindi na sinama.
When there are no fires going, the only thing I do is check in on Connor twice a day.
Wow, pa-special si Connor. Na parang,
Ayoko ng ganyan katrabador. That might have been the only time I ever talk, unless I was talking to myself. Okay, AM?
Got another one. I know it's late, but you're gonna want to see this one, Jack. Jack, I need you to wake up.
wait lang, inaisip, paralysis ako.
Copy?
What does he mean?
Jack, do you copy?
Right here, Connor. We're still up.
Okay, tell you what. I don't have the energy to do this right now. I've
Happened.
been here busting my ass, working on that old piece of garbage generator. And now I'm seeing this. Seeing more smoke to my west. Looks like we got another camper.
Oh, another
Appears
camper.
to be in your sector. You see the
I see.
campsite from your end? You know what? I don't have it in me to deal with this crap tonight.
I don't have any.
I'm gonna let you deal with this one. If they don't run away this time, take their photos and ID. And if things get worse, don't hesitate to call HQ for help. Update me tomorrow
Okay.
morning. I'm gonna get some rest.
So, may nagka-camping banda ron. What? I didn't know what to make of it. May mga kulto? Only thing I've made sense that time I need to take a photo. May kulto! So aesthetic dapat. Para may pang IG story sila. Uy, bilisan mo! Huwag ka gumalaw! Ay, huwag ka gumalaw! Gumalaw ka! No, hell no. Nandito siya sa kabila. Nandito siya sa kabila, guys. If nakikita niyo yan, ay gulay. Marinig niya ba to? Oh, may gulay. Nandiyan siya sa kabila, oh. Ayun lang siya, oh. Wait lang, guys. Wait lang, guys. Wait lang. Nandiyan siya sa likod, di ba? Okay, guys. Ito na yung habulan. So, balik na tayo. Nasa tayo dito. Slow. Nandiyan ba siya? Sa likod lang siya! Sa likod! Kichi Nadal! Man. As adrenaline kicked in, I hit the gas and drove to the nearest ranger cabin. What? I hit the gas and drove to the nearest cabin. Out of breath, I radioed in a alert in the HQ. Look, Jack, we'll get a little stir crazy out here. Mitch answered. Next morning, authorities allegedly ran a small investigation of the area, but of course, they met with no signs of misconduct. No one ever believed my story, dismissing it as a product of isolation. Just stick to looking out for fires, Mitch offered. However, that was the last time I've ever set my foot in those woods.
Bro, that...
Man,
Grabe ang lala nun. Sobrang lala. What the heck was that, bro? Ang lala. Puro habulan, bawal magsalita.
the unease still sits heavy in my stomach.
So, yeah, it gives us trauma. Dahil sa nangyaring yon, wala pa rin naniniwala sa atin. Like, wala tayong evidence. Kahit na may picture tayo, mga tao dito sa lugar na to parang, ano lang parang gobyerno sa Pilipinas mga walang utak.
Even though many years have passed, the experience still feels vivid in my memory. My family thought I was making this whole thing up, which is really out of my character, but I know what I saw. Real or not, after dark, these woods can become a haven for illegal activities. So if any of you plan on going camping soon,
Please be safe. Well, thank you sa paalala. Kahit hindi ako nagka-camping, sana ako magka-camping dito sa Baguio. Sana ako magka-camping dito, ha? Sa Tondo, sa BGC, sa MOA. So, nakaalis nga tayo dun sa lugar na yon. And I don't know, like, para silang kulto Mukha silang kulto, para talaga silang kulto, guys. And ang ganda. Like, favorite ko tong game na to, First of Fathom. Kunti lang yung ginawa nilang episode at damihan nila to Lalurin ko pa yung iba. Well, i-rate ko siya mga nasa 10 out of 10, mga ganon. Yeah, napahaba din yung story, like, isang oras ko din siya nalaro. I mean, 2 oras ko na siya nalalaro ngayon. 2 oras na, and yeah, ang ganda ng kwento.
special thanks to Jacksepticeye.
Si Jacksepticeye sandito. RAL Studios. Well, ang ganda. Absolute cinema yung game nyo. Ang ganda nito, sobra. Ang ganda ng kwento, I swear, I promise. If nakatuto kayo, if napanood nyo yung episode. Ayun yung Ironbark. May Carson House. So, 5 episode lang. Ano tong isa? Wala pa silang nilalabas na 5 episodes. So, may Home Alone. Nalaro ko na to. If gusto nyo, laruin ko siya ulit.
Then yung next is Northwood Kichinadal. And the second is Carson House.
So, yeah. Ang ganda nung game, guys. Ako nagsasabi. The best. Ang ganda. Kung alam nyo lang, yung notification sounds ko sa cellphone ko is yung pag na nagno-notif yung phone dito sa larong to, sa First of Fathom. Yeah. Ito yung notification ko, guys. Walang ganda. Sobra. What the heck. I love this kind of game. Like, ano siya? Alam nyo ba yung parang yung scenery niya, yung sunset, yung sunrise. Basta, parang bumabalik ako sa pagkabata
Once pag nalalaro ko tong game. Ang ganda.
So, yeah. Ang ganda nung game niya, guys. I swear, like, ang ganda nung kwento niya. Like, I think, nangyari ba to sa totoong buhay? Like, kinukwento niya na lang Pero siguro, I think dito sa game, like, storytelling siya. Like, itong mga nangyari, mga nalaro ko, kinukwento niya na lang to sa atin, siguro. And, yeah, ang ganda nitong trabahong ganito. Like, sa Ironbark Travel, delikado rin. At the same time, yun nga, may mga ganito ka may encounter, bears, and chupacabras, I don't know. And, yeah, yung mga strange things na mangyayari sa part mo dito sa Ironbark Lookout, kagaya nung sa kasama nating 12. I mean, sa Tower 12 and Tower 11, may something strange na nangyari sa atin. May na-met tayong matanda kanina na sabi niya, worker daw siya sa, ano nga yun, nakalimutan ko kaagad. radio workstation, radio works, ano daw siya, radio tower worker daw siya, and yeah, hindi yun totoo. I guess isa siya sa mga kulto, makikita nyo naman siguro halata naman, like, hindi siya taga ron, hindi rin siya siguro may magre-report naman galing sa entry na ganito ganyan, may papasok dyan na isang camper, pero wala tayong na-receive kasi may radio naman tayo, like yan, kita nyo tong ano na to, itong mga wires connected yan sa atin isa-isa, yan, wala nakarating sa atin. So I guess isa siya sa mga kulto ng mga nakita natin kanina, kinuha na natin ng picture na nagbigay sa atin ng trauma. So yeah, maraming salamat sa panonood, and I hope nag-enjoy guys sa panibago kong video. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Kita tayo sa next video. Maraming salamat. Bye bye.